Be honest. Have you ever asked yourself if this 9-5 life is really what you were born for? Every morning felt the same. Alarm, rush, work, repeat. I'd stare at my empty wallet under a flickering bulb and wonder, is this really it? Is this all life has for me? I worked harder, but nothing changed. My stomach growled, my bank account mocked me, and my dreams felt like a distant joke. Then one night, everything shifted. A soft light, a presence behind me. My future self stepped into the room. Future self, you're not stuck. You're misinformed. You're not failing. You're following the wrong script. I froze. He stepped closer, eyes steady. The 9-5 trap isn't a job. It's a mindset. Rich people don't chase time, they buy their freedom back. And so will you. But how? Stay till the end. I left you something, a gift, a tool to help you escape faster than I did. But first, listen. He raised 3 fingers. Rule 1, save to invest, not to impress. Rule 2, money follows value, not effort. Rule 3, build something that works, even when you don't. His voice hit me like destiny calling. His words burned in my chest. So I started. I tried creating a service, failed. Tried selling online, failed again. Tried learning a high-income skill, I felt stupid. Slow. Lost. Some nights I felt unstoppable. Some nights I felt worthless. There were days my phone stayed silent. Days my bank account hit 0. Days I cried, quietly, so no one would hear. But I remembered future self's words. Discipline will hurt now. Regret will hurt forever. So I kept going. I watched others succeed while I stayed stuck. But each mistake sharpened me. Each tiny win pushed me. Each failure whispered, not yet, but soon. I studied money like my life depended on it. I learned skills, sales, marketing, systems. I built small income streams, then rebuilt them when they collapsed. I worked on myself more than on my job. And slowly, painfully, I changed. Clients came in. My first $10, then $100, then $1,000 hit my account. Not luck, not magic, just compound courage. I realized something rich people grow up knowing. Wealth isn't an amount. It's a mindset, a decision, a commitment to bet on yourself before anyone else does. And the 9-5 trap? It's only a trap if you never learn how to climb. Future self. See? I told you. You were never meant for survival mode. You were designed for freedom. My chest felt steady. My mind, clear. If you felt that in your chest, don't just watch me grow with me. Your future isn't waiting for permission. It's waiting for action. Remember, rich isn't what you buy. It's what you keep, what you build, and who you become along the way. And that gift, my future self mentioned, it's waiting for you at the end of the description. Take it, it changed my life. Share this video with someone you want to see succeed, and drop a comment so I know you're walking this path with me.